Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the top 3 destinations that we consider to be must-visit places in Laos. So we spent 1 month visiting the entire country of Laos. We started right at the top and rode all the way down to the bottom, coming back into Vietnam at the end. So we've seen a fair bit of the country. We wanted to share with you today our top 3 favourite places. So coming in at number 3 for us is Don Det Island, which is part of the 4,000 Islands archipelago in the south of Laos. You basically catch a ferry across to it. There's a whole bunch of backpacker style accommodation. There's a couple of luxury style accommodations on there. But for us it was one of our favourite places because it gave us a chance to just chill out and enjoy the local atmosphere. You have tons of bars, cafes, restaurants which have a really chill vibe. You can sit in a restaurant and look at the sunset over the Mekong River each night. The sunsets that you get there are incredible. So for us, that was definitely one of our favourite places that we visited in Laos. Number 2 for us in Laos was actually Vang Vieng. It had a bit of a bad reputation for a while because there were a lot of deaths of people taking drugs and then tubing down the Nam Song River. Which you can still tube down the Nam Song River, but they've scaled it back a lot. We did it and we loved it. There's only 3 bars now that you stop at, and it's got a really chilled vibe about it. A couple of other things you can do in the area though is that there are massive limestone karst formations similar to what you see in northern Vietnam. We actually hiked up one of them. You had an amazing view from the top of it. There's also what they call blue lagoons. There's a few of them scattered around the place, and you can just spend an afternoon there eating, drinking and just swimming in the water and enjoying yourself. The town has managed to shake off that party stigma about it, and as a result it's actually a really cool place to go and chill out. So that brings us to number 1. Now our favourite place in Laos, and also the number 1 place in Laos, is actually Luang Prabang. So Luang Prabang is in the north of Laos, up in the mountains, and used to be the provincial capital. The town is full of old French architecture and a bunch of old Buddhist temples that give the town a really cool atmosphere. Not far away from Luang Prabang you have one of the best waterfalls that we've seen in Southeast Asia so far with Kwang Si waterfall. It's one of those multi-tiered ones, and then it has a huge drop off. We made a whole video about it. I'll link it up here somewhere. The other really cool thing about Luang Prabang is it's got one of the best night markets with some of the best food options as well. So for that reason, Luang Prabang makes number 1 on our list of must-see places in Laos. So that's it guys. If you did like the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye!